So we're going to count that as 1. And then I'm going to do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You want to single crochet into the second loop, skip that loop and go into the second. And sorry that my fingernails are really yellow, I just got my acrylics taken off and they like always look really weird after that. So 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in there. And then I usually skip that first chain and then I'll do 2 slip stitches. So 1, 2 in the next 2 stitches, and then turn, and you want to work back up here. So skip those 2 slip stitches, do 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, chain 1, turn, and then you want to work down. So 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and then your last one, 5. And then in the next 2 chains you want to slip stitch. So 1, 2, so I just finished the ribbing at the bottom, which looks really nice. So if you look at it like this, we're going to crochet the edging in the middle and the buttonholes. Ended up having 28 stitches. So if you don't get exactly 28, it doesn't matter, just try to spread them out as evenly as possible and then just do 3 rows. And now on the other side I've just done the same thing for my first row, and actually on this side I ended up having 29. So I'm going to go into 1, then I'm going to chain 1 and then skip that stitch, go into the next stitch and count that as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to chain 1 and skip the next stitch, half double crochet into the next one, that's another buttonhole, then we count that as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to chain 1 again, skip that stitch, go into the next stitch, that counts as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then chain 1 again, skip that next stitch there, go into that stitch, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to go back up here for my last row. So I'm going to Okay, so this is how it should look so far. I'm just going to go and sew in these ends, and then I'm just going to sew on my buttons. Okay, so now I've completed one arm here, and I've also sewn on the buttons. Okay, so I'm now on row 12 and I've just got 2 more stitches to half double crochet into. So that's 1, that's 2, and then I'm going to slip stitch into that stitch right there. And now I'm going to change over to my 4mm hook. So I'm just going down a size for the ribbing, and I'm going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'm going to single crochet into the second stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the only difference from the wrists than the waistband here is we're going to slip stitch into 3 down the bottom. So that's 1, 2, 3, and this will just make it tighter and more tapered in. So now I'm going to do my 5 single crochets going up. So 3, 4, 5, and then chaining 1, going back down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to slip stitch in 3, 1, 2, 3. And now what I'm going to do is flip the arm inside out, because I'm going to single crochet those ends together. Okay, so this is the completed cardigan. Very cute. So yeah, whoops, my light turned off. So yeah, that's the cardigan. I hope you guys liked making it and enjoyed making it. I love these cardigans, they're so cute. So yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, I'm not that good at making videos yet because I haven't done it much, but I'll definitely make some more patterns up for my baby clothes and blankets and things. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. and I'll see you next time. Bye.